So I printed out some bits and pieces and attached them to the motor, then lubed it up to make it run smoothly. It's just bike chain lube, calm down. So I gave it a quick test and... Alright, so this time I rebuilt all the joints and applied some more glue. It should work much better this time. Now, just to add the toothbrush head itself. Now that I think about it, I've just built an electric toothbrush, which already exists. Anyways, I built this mega toothbrush from a 1 or 2 horsepower blender motor and a lead acid battery. So now I've got a 2 horsepower toothbrush, which really, in effect, is more of a 0.2 horsepower toothbrush, as I'm only running it at 12 volts because I don't want to kill myself. Anyways, shall we give it a test? Alright, so I haven't tested it in its final state yet, so there is a good to fair chance that it just spontaneously combusts. But anyways, let's give it a go. Here goes nothing. Alright, so I've re-glued basically everything. So hopefully the superior cleaning power of this blender motor should be able to properly unleash itself on my beautiful dental work. You know, most toothbrushes struggle to have the sheer force required to remove plaque and gunk and teeth, but this one really, I mean, it takes the cake. It's probably the most powerful toothbrush I've ever seen. So let's give it a go, shall we? You can really feel that cleaning power. But hey, that's not all you can use a toothbrush for. In fact, I'd originally planned on using this for cleaning. Oh no, I spilled some chips on the table. Not to worry,